This is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to convert JSON files to CSV format. Drag the JSON file you wish to convert onto Easy Data Transform. The JSON data is flattened out into a table. Now we can output the data to a CSV file. We can change the delimiter and encoding in the right pane if required. We can transform the data, for example, to add, remove or rename columns using the wide range of transforms on the left. Let's clean up white space such as tabs and carriage returns in all columns of the data before outputting. Now let's save this transform file to use again. We're done. If you want to perform this conversion on a whole load of files, you can do it with the batch processing function. For example, let's convert all the JSON files in a folder into CSV files. Click Process to carry out all the conversions. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. Download a free trial from our website now. It only takes a few seconds to install and get started.